Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, dan salam kebajikan. I want to introduce myself. My name is Zahra Fadila. You can call me Rara. My student number is 44250796. Before I want presentation, this presentation is about lecture in Universitas Bina Sarana Informatika, and this is my opinion. Is number one is lecturer at Bina Sarana Informatika University are highly competent is teaching and learning, enabling students to readily understand the material present. Number two, although lecturers teach via Zoom, they can provide clear material via PDF or directly during the Zoom session. Number three, lecturer Bina Sarana Informatika University pay little attention to student attendance. So, students who are absent during offline sessions are asked to ask for attendance. To students who are present, although many lecturers are attentive, some are less responsive to this incident. Number four is pay little attention to students' attendance. So students who are absent during offline session are asked to ask for attendance. For students who are present, although many lecturers are attentive, some are less responsive to this incident. Let's go to part 2. Part 2. Frequency adverbs. What is frequency adverbs? Adverb of frequency is an adverb that explains how often an activity or action is performed. Main function is 1. Provides information about how often an activity is performed. 2. Helps provide clear time context in a sentence. Formula frequency verbs is subject plus adverb of frequency plus verb. Vocabulary frequency verb. Frequency verb vocabulary has 5 vocabularies, namely is number 1, always, 2, usually, 3, often, 4, sometimes, 5, never. Number 1, always. Always show it always happens when you have the change or all the time. Always means always, at every opportunity, without exception, all the time, continuously, without stopping, or forever. Example always is number 1, I always pray for you. Number 2, my mom always pray for me. Number 3, my sister always follow my wish. Then, conclusion always. Always is definitely used to indicate an action or state, which indicates that something is happening at any time without being mentioned. 2. Usually. Usually is usually as a word, often or usually. Like, I usually like to take my mother to the market. Another example for usually is number 1. Usually my mother likes to play soccer. Number 2. Usually I'm doing college assignment while watching Korean drama. Conclusion: usually. This usually explains activity at any time, but they are not always carried out. Number 3. Often. This usually explains activities at any time, but they are not always carried out. Example: often. I often drink iced coffee every morning. Or my brother often listen to music while showering. Conclusion: often. The word often usually describes an action that is often done many times. Number 4 is sometimes. Sometimes is an adverb that shows occasionally. It can happen sometimes but doesn't always happen. Example: sometimes is I sometimes get wake up by my mother to order an online motorbike taxi for my brother. Conclusion: sometimes is frequency adverbs are used to show that something happens not all the time, but at certain times that are not fixed. And last, never. Never is part of an adverb, which means never, which states that something will never happen. Simple never is he can never be mine, or that expensive bag can never be mine. Never emphasize something that has never happened and will not happen in any time period. If the word never does not exist, then we cannot know when it happened. Conclusion of frequency adverb is an adverb that explains. Conclusion of frequency adverb is an adverb that explains how often that occurs. If there was no frequency adverb, we would not know when the event occurred. Thank you for attention my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.